Go around from the other side.
Oh, he's backing in it?
I don't know. Yeah.
Why are you gonna back in? Because you're gay.
Sage being very gay.
Only queers back up to everything.
Why? But the rope's on the back of the truck we want to be able to get to.
Yeah.
Why not? I got strap. I got
Huh?
one in front.
Hey, mad as you want to be, alright?
Take out the cotex. Come on.
Bad as you want to be.
Watch out. Just get down with this stuff. The hardest part is right there, dude.
It is.
You're fucking up backing in.
I'd rather drive forward through it than reverse
You're
through it.
fucking up.
Sage's fan club says he should go forward.
Wow. Look at how deep that shit is on a truck.
You're right between it.
You're good.
The bitch have four-wheel drive, I hope.
What's gonna fuck him up is trying to come back out of that game.
Yeah. You think they have lockers? Watch. Watch.
Alright, he's fucking the whole up, man. Hey, it gets a lot worse.
It sinks like a rock. Y'all can see this on YouTube tonight.
You gonna have mine on there?
Mm-hmm. He going right through it.
It'll float, man. Don't worry about it.
Hell yeah, put a bunch of water wings in it. Shit, that's not how deep the pond was out there. Right. That bitch is dropping down even more now.
Nah.
Nah, I think he's good now. That's where it gets ugly right there.
I got the differentials welded.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to be able to get it up.
Watch out.
Big bad fucking samurai.
I didn't think you were going to make it up here.
Alright, somebody else's turn.
Casey?
Your turn.
Let's put the guy with the smallest tires, alright?
I've seen Casey go through that.
Hell yeah.